Welcome to Wagwan Tours. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you're new to the channel. We're in Marmaris. I'm going to show you where you can get all your boats. So if you're going to Ishmael, so boat taxis, and you want to go off anywhere on the island. Sorry, it's not really an island, sorry, in this area. So let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe. So yeah, really nice. So you got a boat party one up there. Looks like a big pirate ship. There we go. Got Jack Sparrow climbing the lines up there. This one's massive as well. I'm not sure where it goes. So if you are wanting to do a little excursion, this is where you'd come. And this is probably from our hotel, about a 15-minute walk. So not far. So this is the Sea Rose. Rose Let Jack Die. Hello.
Okay.
So, how much is it for that one, the Davy Jones?
£30
Yeah,
soft lunch pickup and drop back.
yeah.
£30 soft lunch pickup and drop back, and alcohol drinks. Example, unlimited alcohol as much as much.
There you go, limited alcohol, absolutely bargain.
Pickup, drop back, and pool party.
Ah,
And yeah, I like it. You cannot see somebody.
yes, and it's a cool ship as well.
Cool shit,
Yeah.
Can I show my book?
Yeah, of course. Right, let's have a look. So this is all for £20 English, remember? Thank you.
Soap and lunch.
Okay, ooh, yeah,
For swimming break here,
okay,
swimming time, shower here.
yeah,
And you see, wonderful place to go. Sorry, downstairs.
yeah.
Wonderful place. All that.
Okay, so you can see some caves, go swimming, go to like a nice little beach.
Yeah. And course is very nice.
Yeah. If you ever want to be on the Pirates of the Caribbean, this is the one.
Clean table and chair. Lunchtime.
Yeah.
Clean toilet for a shower.
And how long's the excursion?
6 hours totally.
6 hours. So if you do want to come out and go on a boat trip.
And we have also moonlight party boat. Moonlight.
Ah, okay, moonlight.
Clean toilet.
So you got some toilets. Oh, they're quite good for a boat.
Open bar.
And an open bar as well.
And his name Doğukan Şeker.
Hello.
We have a top cushion.
Oh, nice.
We have a nice view.
Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Wow. Nice. Absolutely. And another bar. So it's really big. Really big.
And then, if you want to go, see what my boat is.
Right, let's see if I can drive this thing. We're not actually going anywhere, but it's good to... There we go. No, it's absolutely lovely. You've got cocktails, I can see. So look, you can have your banana daiquiri, raspberry daiquiri. Nice. And the moonlight one, how long is the moonlight? So 3 hours for the moonlight. And it's never ending. We're going up another set. Let's go. Oh, nice. Wow, look at that. Right, one more. Ooh. Ah, this is cool, guys. Look at the views. There we go. Captain Jack is looking after the ship. If only it was Johnny Depp, eh? Wow, this is awesome. So yeah, so do check this out if you are in Marmaris. The pirate ship seems like a good deal for everything that you're getting. All right, I've got to now get down from here without falling. No, it's really good. Thank you for the tour. Thank you very much.
Moonlight is not every day. Moonlight Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday.
There you go.
Tuesday.
And Saturday.
You can go here now.
Oh, nice.
And table.
Yeah.
Airport very clean.
Nice. No, it's all really, really lovely.
I'll show you. There is no windy. I'll show you. Sit down
Ah,
with me.
thank you.
First aquarium. When we stop here,
Yeah.
30 minutes stop for aquarium.
Yeah.
After aquarium, we go first for cave here.
Nice.
So we make a wish here. What you wish here? Little money coins
Yeah.
in the water, and please, your wish gets through.
Oh, there you go. So it's like a wishing well.
Yeah, wishing king. And
Yeah.
then we go Holland Beach, Kumla Beach.
Okay.
First half an hour we go to swimming
Yeah.
break. Second, break half an hour.
Nice. Yeah.
Chicken, pasta salad. And
Beautiful.
cocktails, you see just now.
Yeah. All the
And
daiquiris.
then after lunch we go shopping break, Turun village.
Ah, nice.
And I stop here,
Okay, so you go to the bazaar and get your
bazaar, shopping,
bargains.
Yeah.
And then you've got
And
the
then green
beautiful
tea.
green
10
sea.
years younger to make it. And then we go İçmeler away, İçmeler.
Yeah.
And then come back here.
And back to Marmaris. And
And
that's
then-
6 hours and it's again 20 UK.
20 UK and again soft and lunch pick up and drop. If 2 drinks alcohol and pay only £10 more.
Oh,
And we have also other excursion names, Turkish baths,
yeah.
example Turtle Beach, Jeep
Okay.
Safari, example,
Yeah.
and quad and buggy,
Yeah.
water park. I'm booking and I have a travel office.
Okay.
I'm booking
And what's the name of the travel office? Where can they
travel
find
office
us?
name? No, you can find only here. My travel office is Davy Jones, mine.
David Jones,
I am
lovely.
just behind booking.
Perfect. So if you want to check it out,
Yeah, check
come
out.
to Marmaris, the main marina, and find David Jones.
I give you my card.
Yeah. I'll put your links on the video.
One day before you let me know,
Yeah.
I have also WhatsApp number. WhatsApp.
Okay. Thank you.
I give my card.
Oh, I'm here.
I love you.
Perfect.
This is
Boss
yours.
man. I'll take that.
This is mine. This is mine. And this is my actor.
Thank you so much for
What's
that.
your name?
Sabrina, and this is Wagwan Tours.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Please welcome. Please welcome.
Oh, thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
Cheers, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. I will catch you later. Now, that's a really good price. 20 UK for 6 hours. That's a bargain. That's a real bargain. I know a lot of people don't like cheap when they come on holiday. Some people like to spend, but if you ain't got a lot of money, that's the one for you. So go check that one out. And the boat was very clean and the toilets were really good for a boat as well. I've been on other boat excursions and the toilets were never like that. So something to think of if that's what puts you off. So yeah, this is a really nice area. Really nice area. What do you guys offer for which is your boat?
This is my boat.
Cleopatra. And where do you go? So this is the Cleopatra. And they go, so you can see dolphins all around this little area. Paradise Island. You can see turtles. So this is the Cleopatra. Okay. Give you guys a little viewpoint. Toilet. Ah. Barbecue. I'm king of the world right now. If you know, you know. Right, let's go upstairs.
Sun or shadow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also there
Oh yeah, loads of seating areas, nice.
Yeah.
And then you've got another bit up there as well. Nice little table. And then last little bit. There we go. Nice. And again, you've got all those beautiful views. Okay. Thank you. And what days does it go out?
I think you would go Saturday.
Saturday?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how long's the boat trip?
How long?
How many hours?
How many hours? If we are going 10 o'clock,
Yeah.
5 o'clock, we'll
come
be
back.
here, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So 10 till 5, and you get to go out, see all the different areas,
Yeah,
swim,
different, all
food.
islands, yeah.
Yeah,
You can swim, we will stop the Turunç.
yeah,
It's the old town, you know, fishing
yeah,
town. You can shopping there
yeah.
and come back 1 hour. It's okay.
Good. Thank you. So lots of options. There you go. And you've got a little bar as well, coffee, beer, snacks.
Yeah.
There
Yeah.
we go. Get my sea legs. Thank you very much. That's a bit of a jump, this one. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you. There you go. Nice. So do check out the days, because obviously depending on when you fly out, what days you're here, you can sort of work out what day you want to do a boat trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below if you've already done one, if you're looking forward, if you're coming out here. Don't forget to subscribe, it really does help the channel. And like, if you want to see any other videos, do check out the page. Thanks so much for joining today. Hope everyone has a great day.